Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about GeoMeet. First, let us see about how to install GeoMeet in our device. So, go into Play Store and just give us GeoMeet in your search bar and press this install button. So, here press this open button. So, a page will be opened. So, here you can join a meeting, or you want to sign up, you can do sign up, or you can sign in if you have any account in this GeoMeet. So first let us see how to sign up this account. So here click the sign up option. So a page will be opened. So here you want to give your email address, or in case even you can give your mobile number also, it is your choice. And then you give your first name, then last name, and after that you want to tick this I agree to terms and condition. Now I am going to type all these details. So after filling all these details, after giving this tick mark, tick this next option. So then you want to give all those security alerts, whatever email notifications came. So you want to give yes I am. So those things you want to do in your email, and then you want to give next. Next step, open your mail account and then open that GeoMeet message, and here you want to choose verify option. So here you want to activate your GeoMeet account. So you want to press verify. Then a page will be loaded here. And here you want to give some account information in the first step. So here I have given already first name and last name. And here you want to give your password. And then you want to retype another time. That is confirm password in the next box. And you want to give continue. Let us type now. Make sure you are giving according to the rules whatever given here, that is at least password should contain 8 characters, and at least one letter should be there in that password, and at least one number should be there in that password, and it should contain some combination of capital letters and small letters, and one special character should be there. So after giving all those things, you give continue. So next step, it is moving on to your next step. So here you can see your personal meeting URL. So you can see this. Even you can copy this in your mail. Even it is available in your mail also, and even it is in your GeoMeet app also. So open your GeoMeet app, and then you can click here sign in. So after giving sign in, here you enter your email address or your mobile number, whatever you have given in your sign up option. So I am going to type my email ID. After entering your email ID, it will be asking for your password. So you want to give that, and you want to press sign in. So after giving sign in, a page will be opened. So here you want to give access to your contacts allow. Then you can see this page. So whenever you want to start a new meeting, you can press this first option. Whenever you want to join a meeting, so then you can choose the second one. If you want to create a meeting and if you want to schedule a meeting, you can choose this schedule option. And then share screen means if you want to show your device screen to your participants, you can use the share screen. Okay, now let us see how to create a meeting, that is how to schedule a meeting. So for that you want to press the schedule option. So here in the first line you want to give the title for your meeting. I am going to give us inventory meetings. Okay, so inventory meeting. So next, when you are going to conduct this meeting, so in the date place you want to give. So I am going to press this option, and I am going to choose any one date, and I am going to give set. So next one, from. So from which time, that is from which time you are going to schedule a meeting. So here press this and choose your dates, that is time, and give set. And then in the next option, two option, that is till what time, what is the ending time you want to give. So I have given us 9:32 p.m. set. Then time zone, you change according to your place, location. Okay, so next one, in the meeting option, first option is host video on. If you want to show your face to your participants means you can give this option enabled, that is host person. And in case you want to on the participant video also, you can on here. So if you don't want to see their faces, you can just be like this, that is don't want to enable this, just be like this. And if you want to allow any guest users also, you can allow. If you don't want to allow, you can enable this option. Okay, next one, advanced option. So here enable this enable waiting room option. The next one, allow join before host. So this one you can disable. Next, if you want to record the meeting, you can give record meeting enabled. So next one, add to calendar. So this one also you can give enabled. So after enabling this, it will be asking for allow option, you give allow. Then after completing all those works, you can give done. So here your meeting information was displaying here. You can see this, and calendar is giving some notification that you have meeting by 9:13 p.m. Okay, so here topic is displaying, and meeting ID, you can pass this meeting ID to your participants, and password also here it is displaying now, so you can forward this. And meeting duration also it is displaying here, so you can forward this details to your participants. Okay, if you need to start a meeting, you can leave start meeting here, and then if you want to add this details to your calendar also, you can add. And if you want to add any invite is by this, you can invite your participants. And then if you want to delete this meeting also, you can press this delete meeting. If you want to edit any information regarding to the meeting, you can edit by pressing this edit option, which is available in the right side. So I'm going to press this. So it should be edited before the meeting time, that is before 15 minutes of meeting you want to edit. So I'm going to press this. So if your meeting time is nearby, you can't edit. Okay, so you will be getting this message as this. Give OK. Okay, now let us give cancel. So can you see our meeting information have been displayed here. So now let us start this meeting. So I'm going to press the start button. So here it will be asking to take pictures and record video, give allow. Then record audio also, give allow. So then to manage phone calls, yes, give allow. Press the start button. So after giving start, you will be getting this meeting room. So here you are going to conduct the meeting. So can you see here in the bottom, we have an options unmute, start video, share, participant, more. So first one, so whatever you are speaking, it should be here to your participants or not. So here if it is in the red color, it means it is in the mute condition, that whatever you are speaking, you will not be heard by the participants. Okay, so next one is start video. So here I have just offed my video status. So if you want to on, you can on this. Next one, share. So if you are in need of sharing your screen in your device, you can press this option and you can share. So I'm going to press this option. So after pressing, it will be asking for start now option. You want to press that. So after giving that, you can show whatever the videos you have prepared, or whatever PPT files or document files you can show in the share screen option. So after that, you can come to this GeoMeet app and you can give stop share. So next one, participants, the participant details will be displayed here. So if you want to mute and if you want to unmute everything here, you can do. I'm giving close. And next one, more option. So if I press here, so if you are in need in chatting, so if you want to chat also, you can do chat here. And also next one, meeting settings. So if you want to change any settings regarding the meeting, if you want to lock the meeting, and if you want to mute on entry, and if you want to enable show name in participant join also, you can do here. And after doing everything, you can give done option here. So and I'm closing here. So next one here, can you see in the left corner the speaker button, speaker option? So if you click this, make sure that speaker option is in the green color tick mark. So then only you can hear the participant voice. So next one, in the end, can you see end option? If you are interested to leave the meeting or if you want to end the meeting, you can click this by your choice. So here I am going to give end meeting for everyone. Okay, now it came to our home page. So next, if you see in the bottom in this page, meet and chat, meetings, contacts, settings, everything is there. So if I press this meeting related to meeting ID and what are the meetings you have scheduled, that is ongoing meetings, will be displayed here. And meet and chat, so whatever you want to create a meeting or join a meeting, you can do here. In contacts, you can invite people, and regarding to the contacts details, it will be here. And settings, regarding to this account setting, you can do here. If you want to join a meeting, press this join option. So here you give your meeting ID and you give join meeting. So now I have typed my meeting ID, give join meeting. So after loading, you will be getting this page. This is our waiting area, that is meeting room. So from here you can attend the meeting. So if you want to end the meeting, you can press here end and give leave meeting, because you are not a host now. So if my video is useful, just click subscribe button, then like button and share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching.